أكاديمية وين صايرة؟ ننزل نتمشى؟ أكاديمية وين صايرة؟ ننزل نتمشى؟ صدق؟ هنا مركز اللغة، مركز تعليم اللغة الإنجليزية في الجامعة الامريكية في بغداد. نطل على هذه البحيرة، أكاديمية اللغة الإنجليزية تحديدا.
لا يعني ترى شيء مخيف.
كاميرا. Wow.
Nicer ceilings. It's absolutely beautiful.
Oh my God.
Isn't it nice?
It's so beautiful. Like this kind of wooden shape,
Yeah, let me turn on the light.
it's quite amazing. And the screens, wow. That's really amazing. No. No. Oh, there it is. Wow. That's the most beautiful chandelier I've seen this year.
Isn't it beautiful?
It is.
I just love it. And they built the, well, of course they built. Not yet.
One or not?
Not yet. They hopefully we will be. And then
This-
we're
this-
hoping to have some. This is their, of course, the English
I mean,
language academy is very long.
I look at these buildings and they were built like 30, 40 years ago,
Yes,
and
they were, yeah.
they still preserving the kind of
Yeah.
stability, and they're preserving their modernity at the same time, which is
Yes.
really amazing,
Yeah.
except for the additions here.
Yeah. See, these are all original buildings still here.
So we are in a lovely tour in the American University,
This is our
and
registration.
it's registration, IT department.
Yeah. The temporary. This is our temporary library.
Uh-huh. Is it
Uh,
open?
It
You
doesn't
know.
look like anyone's
Okay,
outside,
you don't have to.
unfortunately.
You don't have to.
The main library will eventually be moved to the Alpha Palace. Right now,
Uh-huh.
we're not using the
Is it
Alpha
called-
Palace, but
Is it called the Alpha? Like,
no, we've renamed it the Presidential Palace.
Uh-huh.
So we're trying to rename things, and give
codify things and.
it, kind of put a spin on things, since these were names under Saddam. And,
So yeah, you just don't want to have any kind of legacy for that kind of names, and
yeah, we're trying. It's different. It's not
I like the dates and how they
sure.
kept them clean.
Yeah, well, that's all
So
Saddam.
beautiful.
Those are the original date
Ah.
trees from Saddam. All of them have numbers on them so they can, keep track of the different types, I guess.
So are we going in the direction of the car park, or we
Yeah,
just
you kind of go back out that way. This is the College of Health Sciences. This one opens this year. Nursing, dentistry,
and all of it is
pharmacy.
bachelor, right?
All of it's bachelor.
Okay.
For now.
5 to.
But these are all labs. If you look in all these buildings,
Uh-huh.
it's all labs.
Which is more empirical, and this is the
Yeah.
beautiful thing about it.
Yeah. Well,
I mean, I wish I
we're
could.
going to have a lot of students in this program too. So.
I should have brought my professional camera to record some short
Yeah.
video about it. But I'll do that next week, if you like.
Sure. Okay.
I was talking, I don't know, Robin from Global Language Center.
Oh yeah.
I had a meeting online with him
Mhm.
1 week ago. And then Carrie, the American teacher, I had a meeting with her. I've been doing online Zoom meetings where I ask students to tell us about the English centers in Baghdad and
Oh.
while
Okay.
they
Yep.